Are you looking for a new and engaging way to get your products and services noticed on the net? Well, look no further than Magic Motion by DS Video Productions. We can make your static photos come to life and increase traffic to your social media platforms and websites. Magic Motion and photo parallaxing is an exciting process of editing photos that is guaranteed to boost engagement to your platforms and make a great addition to your sales funnel. In this sample reel, you can see examples of food products, life events, travel, health product promos, business announcements, mobile device mock-ups, and more. At DS Video Productions, you can buy these creations one at a time, or in bundles to save money. Once you start using them on your social media, you will notice a huge difference. Just tell us what you want. Text, colors, effects, and music. They are all 100% customizable. We can even include your logo and contact information. So what are you waiting for? Get yours today. If you have questions, Daryl at DSVP has the answers. If you can imagine it, we can create it.